What are the side effects of minoxidil? Because minoxidil is a widely used, thoroughly tested medication, its side effects are well known amongst doctors and researchers. Depending on the formulation, the most common side effect of minoxidil is skin irritation at or near the application site. In some cases, minoxidil users can develop a skin rash or experience a mild burning feeling after using minoxidil spray or foam. This can be a reaction to the minoxidil itself or a reaction to some of the substances commonly used in minoxidil formulas. Many minoxidil products contain propylene glycol and alcohol, which can lead to skin rash and irritation when applied topically. Other, less common side effects of minoxidil include acne, facial hair growth, inflammation around the hair roots, facial swelling, and increased hair loss. These side effects are relatively uncommon and do not affect most minoxidil users. Increased hair loss, one of the most publicized side effects of minoxidil, is often the result of hair follicles rapidly moving through the hair growth cycle and shedding before an anagen phase. This is normal as it is part of the mechanism in how minoxidil works. There are also side effects of minoxidil that can occur from excessive use of the medication. In most cases, these side effects occur when too much minoxidil is applied at once, resulting in an overly high level of minoxidil being absorbed into the body. These side effects include dizziness, lightheadedness, fainting, irregular heartbeat, chest pain, headaches, flushing, blurred or altered vision, numbness of the face, hands, and feet, swelling of the face, hands, feet, and legs, and rapid weight gain. If you notice any of these side effects after taking minoxidil, the best course of action is to speak to your doctor as soon as possible. Are minoxidil side effects common? Minoxidil is a safe, widely used medication, with numerous studies indicating that side effects are uncommon. One 2013 study involving hundreds of people resulted in no side effects over almost 3 months of minoxidil use. A longer 48-week study shows that topical minoxidil has no systemic effects, even at a higher than average 5% concentration. Of the side effects of minoxidil, the most common is skin irritation in and around the area where the spray or foam is applied. This usually reverses and heals by stopping the minoxidil. Millions of men around the world use minoxidil on a daily basis to prevent hair loss and improve hair growth. On the whole, side effects are rare, and minoxidil is viewed as one of the safest hair loss treatments on the market today. If you found this video helpful,